Kua whakaingoa tia he Pākehā, te tiriti nei ko Acacia Avenue, aha kua kahore te iwi o Ngāti Awa I whakai.
Karua mātou iwi a Ngāti Awa I whakai. Karua mātou e tahi o mātou hapu I whakai. Ko Acacia Ave, no hea hoki taua ingoa.
I te mutunga o ngā tau ērima me ngā tau tohe, kua whakai te nuinga o ngā kai kaunihira o te kaunihira ārohe o Whakatāne, a ko Acacia Avenue te ingoa o te rorihu. He oi, ka hore ngā kai kaunihira wāri Maori tokotoru o te kaunihira nei I whakai.
It's all about interpretation of the road naming policy. That road name that was just accepted just now, that occurred under the old policy. Developers are responsible for the naming of a new road, and preference is given for certain road names.
Preference will be given to road names with cultural, historical or geographical significance, or in keeping with an existing theme. Acacia Ave doesn't fit that. It never did in 2019, and that's why it was rejected. It should have been rejected again.
I tētahi hui Living Together Committee I tū I te kaunihira, I wānangahia ngā kai kaunihira he ingoa no mo te rori, a ko Wāna Davies he uri no Ngāti Awa, nāne I whiwhi te Queen's Service Order mo tana hāpai I te hapori I te tau ruamano mārua.
And Wāna Davis Place, an option put forward recently from Ngāti Awa's Piripai hapu.
We as a hapu and iwi o Ngāti Awa offered a name, Wahine Ronganui. That name was rejected even though it met the criteria. So the name Wāna Davis met all their criteria. Acacia Ave, like in 2019, didn't meet their criteria. So is this hypocrisy?
His interpretation is different to mine. And it's like a legal document, you know. Sometimes you test it in a court of law because the law as written is imprecise. And that policy was imprecise.
There was a sense that Acacia Lane had already been chosen.
Aha kua ka hore te iwi I whiwhi te ingoa I wawata tia e rātou I tēnei wā, ka tai anō I puta te kaunihira ngā kaupapa here hou, e hāngai ana ki tō rātou rautaki road naming and property address policy.
We were supportive of the name that had been put forward by Hapu, and that did not pass, so that part is disappointing. What is an improvement though is that a new policy has been developed because of what has happened over the last 5 years with the road naming policy.
Now any new road will require engagement with iwi, being of fidelity with cultural, historical context that will be required.
But then you have to worry that they didn't abide by the criteria for Acacia Ave. So we as Māori councillors in the future have to be there to educate these people to make sure that they listen and they abide by the criteria they've set in this new policy.
Herewini Waikato, Aukaha.